पहले बच्चे बच्चे लोग क्या बोलना चाहोगे आप?
सिर्फ एक दो. where can I take it? Yeah, one sec.
मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया और मुझे कपिल सर, फिरदौस मैम और सलमान खान बहुत अच्छे लगते
So
हैं।
sweet. अब तुम्हारी एज में मैं पूछ भी नहीं सकता कि फेवरेट फिल्म सलमान सर की आपको कौन सी पसंद है. तो आई एम नॉट क्वाइट श्योर कि हाउ फार बैक वी कैन गो. अच्छा, तुम में से किसका फेवरेट, सलमान सर का फेवरेट फिल्म कौन सा है? तुम सबसे बड़े लग रहे हो. डू यू वांट टू से इट? यस, व्हिच इज योर फेवरेट फिल्म?
My favorite film of Salman sir is Tiger Zinda hai.
मेरी बजरंगी भाईजान है. तो सलमान सर जब रोते हैं वो बहुत वो ऐसा डर.
नहीं नहीं
No,
वो
अच्छा, sorry.
सलमान सर मुझे रोते हुए बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं।
अच्छा. Sweet. Yeah, okay, go.
Hello. Hi sir, this is Gary here.
मुझे
Sir, my question
बजरंगी
is to the
फिल्म
hero.
अच्छी लगती है, उसकी बहुत
हाँ.
मुझे बजरंगी फिल्म बहुत अच्छी लगती है, इसकी बहुत अच्छी।
आप तो तालियां हो जाना, जबरदस्त किया. अच्छा, इस टाइम पर मैं
एक बड़ा ही स्ट्रेंज सवाल है, अनोखा सा सवाल है कि ये ट्रेलर आपको कैसा लगा? अनयूजुअल सवाल था ये.
Salman sir, are you able to be non-objective, or you know, when you're watching the stuff that you are producing and you are making, ऐसा हो सकता है कि okay, I can be non-biased?
To kill him. I have to kill him. If I don't like something, I ask him to do it over and over again.
Really?
Now, now there was one dance step that he could not get, so I had to stand up and just imagine I had to stand up and show it to him. लेकिन वो थोड़ा तो भलता था. So I had to stand up and show him the dance step. Then he's gone and he's rehearsed about 4-5 hours with him in the studio. Then he's gone, he's rehearsed it all night and he's gone and done it. So
You know
very
what?
hard working.
You know what we're going to ask you to do now, ना? ये जो डांस स्टेप इतना मुश्किल था, जो शायद आ नहीं रहा था, डांस स्टेप देखना है आपको?
नहीं अभी पर्दे पे देखो, पता नहीं खराब कर यहाँ पे तो. Thank you.
Listen. This is now, अभी दरवाजा खुल चुका है. अब हर कोई तुम्हें हर चीज पे, you know, there'll be.
It's not a step that was hard. It was a whole long sequence. Which
You've seen so many seasons. You know, they've come and they've gone. So I obviously read it. It's very widely reported on Wikipedia. You saw him dancing at Arpita ki shadi and performing, and you said, "Bas."
No, that's not the first time I saw him.
Yeah.
I saw Zahiro when his father came to me. He said कि मेरे पापा और मम्मी ने मुम्मू के मम्मा और पापा के साथ बैठ के शरबत पिए. तो ऐसे शरबत पीते रिश्ता पक्का हो गया. That is when, before he was even conceived, I've known this dude.
But when you saw him, was he
And
full hero
I still
material?
remember, I still owe his father 2011 rupees. वही ना आंकड़ा? हाँ? वही ना 2011 रुपए.
ब्याज के साथ तो बढ़ गया होगा अभी सर.
अब खुद से.
भाई अब ये चुका के देगा भाई.
So were you, when he did see you there, so it happens to so many people.
This one Jhol did with me
अच्छा.
on his sister's wedding. तो इकबाल comes to me, so यार वो शादी में तो है ना आऊँगा. तो इसको संगीत स्टार्ट नहीं करेंगे इन लोग. तो ऐसे मैं आ जाऊँगा यार, साजिद के साथ मैं आ जाऊँगा वहाँ पर. तो हम लोग घर पे बैठे थे, तो ऐसे चलो. तो फिर संगीत स्टार्ट किया इन्होंने. पूरी फिल्म बनाई थी इन्होंने. वीडियो, डांस, परफॉर्मेंस वगैरह वगैरह. इनको पता था कि ये मैं आऊँगा वहाँ पर और ये साइन हो जाएगा.
ये था वैसे थॉट ना?
इंटेंशन वैसा नहीं था, लेकिन
वही इंटेंशन था. इंटेंशन वही था और वो कामयाब हो गया. लेकिन उसके बाद 5 years this boy struggled really hard. So 5 साल he was worked with me, trained with me, assistant in Jai Ho. तो बहुत मेहनत की इसने. And Pranuthan, you don't want to be lawyer anymore?
Never.
Huh?
No.
अरे become lawyer. So her father, Monia. So I've known Monia. Monia is Monish Bahal. So I remember he used to be shooting 3 shifts.
सर आज सारे पोल खुलने वाले हैं. Yes, बिल्कुल.
So I was struggling. The only one thing I used to do, go to Sea Rock as a model assistant and go and work out in the gym where I was underage, which he had to pay for because Prabhu was the general manager then. He, at that point in time, didn't have much respect for me. I don't think even now he has it. But so he used to have this panga with me. He used to keep me out of the gym. So whenever he was not there, I used to go into the gym. He used to pay for it. And so one day he comes on the bench. I was working out. He says, move out to the bench. I said, why? He said, I'm really tired, man. I've been doing 3 shifts. I shot in Mumbai, then I went to Hyderabad. And I've just come back and it's just too tiring. You know, dude, I wish God gives me a break. Next week, his film released, Teri Baahon Mein. God did listen to him. God gave him the longest break. And then I got a film called Maine Pyar Kiya. Okay? And Raj Babu.
तालियां हो जाए, मैंने प्यार किया ऐसा मिला. Yeah.
The first person to sign me was Raj Babu. He passed away yesterday. God bless his soul. So I went and met Raj Babu and they signed me for a film. उसमें एक negative lead था. So I said, you know, why don't you try Munish Bahl? He said, नहीं, नूतन जी के बेटे उनको negative में कैसे ले सकते हैं? So I turned around and said, if Monish gets to know about this, he will die. So I went to Nutan ji. And then I got her from Sagar Sangeet, from Kaf Parade, to meet Raj Babu. And she convinced Raj Babu that my son, God gave him a long break. Right now he's under BMWs and Mercedes Benz and repairing cars. वो तो अभी भी चल रहा है इनका. So that is how he got into मैंने प्यार किया then.
वैसे आप सर बहुत मेहनत करते हैं. People don't realize this. You go to any lengths to help a lot of the people that you see that have talent.
Not help, the deserving candidates, not anybody.
Can I just give a mic to Monish sir? Okay. Yeah.
So Athiya and Suraj is not the first break the Salman's given. I was the first. Yeah.
Super. Well, it's about payback time now.
And after he gave me that break, see where his career went.
Pranutan, are you overwhelmed?
Yeah, very, very overwhelmed. I'm also a little nervous of this banter. I don't know where this is heading. So I'm just keeping quiet because they have a lot of stories. Yeah. Which
Salman sir with his friends will have a lot of stories. Lekin, did she convince you first shot only? Did Pranutan, were you convinced in one shot?
Yeah, before even seeing the rushes, I told him she's on. She did a screen test. So I said, she's on. I mean, I've interacted with her. She's out. And she's amazing in the film. Amazing. She's so good with her lines and itni asani se dialogues. And the most important thing is, wo jo inflammatory dialogue jo hote hain na ekdam aise wale, wo bade asani se aate hain.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
So now we'll have the witness to all of these things. The director Nitin Kakkad को मैं स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहूंगा. सारी अंदर की बातें जो खुल गई. आपने फिल्मिस्तान देखी होगी, one of my favorite films of all time. Nitin sir.
And those kids have made the film.
Lots has been said. अब सलमान सर ने तो बड़ी तारीफें कर दी दोनों की. और अगर ज़हीर के इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट पर जाओ तो हर 5वां पिक्चर इनके 6-पैक का होता है. So the beauties are obviously here. We're not seeing that. तो बहुत काम करना पड़ा या easy था?
Easy था, बहुत easy था. I think Pranutan and Zahir both are, as Salman sir just said, deserving candidates to be launched, because they're very hungry, I would say, and they worked like how. They've been, I think they went through a training of 3 months, and they've just, you'll see the film. They are, I don't want to say
3 months on this
fantastic.
film, but they've been training for the last 5 years.
Wow. So Murad sir, if I ask you, जब न्यू टैलेंट को लॉन्च किया जाता है, थोड़ा सा हल्का सा स्ट्रेस रह सकता है. वो क्या खरे उतरेगी सारे लोगों की उम्मीदों पर, फिर आपके डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स पर, फिर प्रोड्यूसर पर, ये सारे सवाल होते हैं. तो वो बेचारे ऑलरेडी अंडर प्रेशर रहते हैं, लेकिन आप पर प्रेशर रहता है कि नहीं रहता है?
प्रेशर तो रहता है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है न्यू कमर कोई भी फिल्म बनाओ प्रेशर तो रहता है. अगर एस्टैब्लिश एक्टर है वो भी
नहीं एस्टैब्लिश्ड एक्टर में ऑलरेडी एक छोटा सा फैन बेस अगर रहता है,
हाँ,
वो लोग मानते हैं।
लेकिन उसमें भी प्रेशर तो होता है।
नहीं उसमें होता है भाई, हम झेल चुके हैं। उसमें पैसे कभी कभी वापस देने पड़ते हैं।
लाइक आई सेड सर, एक रात, वो एक छोटी सी एक ऐसी रात रहती है। अश्विन सर, वुड यू से दैट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू हाउ शुड आई से टू कन्विंस? आप लोग बहुत अलग अलग फिल्में बना रहे हैं। दिस ईयर यू गॉट लाइक 3 बिग रिलीजेस दैट आर कमिंग अप। 2018 वाज अ वेरी डिफरेंट ईयर। 2018 ने लोगों की आंखें खोल दी हैं, यू नो, फॉर द काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट सिनेमा जो ड्रिवन चल रहा है, यू नो, एज प्रोड्यूसर्स। इसके बारे में अब डबल टेक हुआ है कि, यू नो, रीसेटिंग द क्लॉक एज फार एज योर कंटेंट इज कंसर्न्ड एंड द थॉट इज कंसर्न्ड?
I don't think so, yeah, because I think content has always worked. I think people have just realized it last year that content works, but content has been, if content didn't work, films won't work. So content has always been king.
People came with no expectations, and from May to now is apparently like it's been a crazy golden run box office wise.
Yeah, but it's always happened in every year from the 70s, 80s. You see, you know, the year when the first Golmaal release, which Amol Palekar.
Subscribe to Biscuit TV and press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss another Bollywood update from Biscuit TV.